I would like to start with is the introduction to measurements and SI units. What is measurement? Measurement is the comparison of a physical quantity with a standard unit. For example, suppose you want to find the length of some object, then what you will do, you will take a scale and you will compare that object with a scale and find out how long it is. So, every measurement will have two things. The first one is a numerical value and second thing will be the unit. For example, suppose the length comes out to be 5.2 meters. So, 5.2 is the numerical value of that length and meters is the units. Units are of two types. The first one is a base unit and the second one is called derived units. Base units are defined for fundamental quantities like length, time, weight, etc. While derived units are the combination of base units. For example, for representing the velocity or speed of something, we will combine two base units, meter and second. So, the unit for the speed will be meter per seconds. So, let us look into the historical systems which were used for units. There are three such systems. The first one is called a CGS system, which represents centimeter, gram and seconds, each of these CG and S. And then there was a system called foot pound second system, where the length is measured in foot, weight is measured in pound and time is second. And then came MKS system, where the length is measured in meters, mass in kilograms and time in seconds. So, these different systems were used in different countries, different geographical areas, and so there used to be a lot of confusion, and now all of those have been replaced by SI system for international consistency. So, in SI system, which is a global standard, there are 7 base units. So, this SI system was adopted in 1971 and it was revised in 2018. So, it is the widely used systems for units, and in SI system there are 7 different units. They represent 7 different quantities. On the left hand side of this table, I have shown the quantities like length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance and luminous intensity. And on the second column, I have shown the units which are used to represent each of these quantities. For example, in SI system, you will represent length in meters, mass in kilogram, time in seconds. Electric current in ampere, temperature in Kelvin, and amount of substance in mole, and luminous intensity in candela. In the third column, I have shown the symbols for each of these units. In addition to these 7 units, there are 2 more units in SI system. They are to represent the angles. For plane angle, suppose in a plane you have angle between 2 lines, they will use a radian, and for solid angle in 3-dimensional system, that angle is used in the units of steradian. So, both of these angles are dimensionless quantities,